Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video is about our dustpan selection. Vikan's range of dustpans will cover your needs for waste removal. They are all designed without any seams or cracks, making them easier to clean and limiting harborage points for microorganisms and allergens. This is the standard Vikan dustpan. It is ergonomically designed and ideal for food industry use to collect food debris and dust from floors and work surfaces. It works well with several of Vikan's hand brushes. Next is the Vikan upright dustpan. This dustpan's handle is ergonomically friendly and has a clip that can attach to a broom handle. The contact lip is designed for easy and efficient sweeping into the dustpan. The outer front surface has a raised area to prevent debris from falling out of the dustpan, and the enlarged rear and side walls enable the dustpan to hold larger volumes of debris. Last but not least is the Vikan dustpan set. The closable dustpan set includes the dustpan, angle cut broom, and both handles. This solidly built dustpan is very easy to use with one hand, while the other holds the angled broom. It is easy to empty by locking the lid into place just by pressing the handle backward. Unlock it by pulling forward. The dustpan lip is built to seal tightly to the floor to prevent debris from sliding under the dustpan, even if it's placed close to a wall. The interlocking broom system and narrow upright design make storage easy, as the whole system can stand on its own, with the broom tucked into the dustpan. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan dustpans. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website, vikan.com, or contact our customer service team.